All right, so learning assessment. What are the different things you can learn from this potentially long second week of classes? This is the fundamentals of math that you are going to continue to apply in the rest of the class. So that's why it's important to know this concept. So how we can apply for the projects? So our project was to understand how to design green infrastructures to remove pollutants that may be generated during wildfires. So first thing you have to know is what kind of pollutants are present. So I encourage you to look at literature and find out what kind of pollutant may present in the ash. And if you search keyword ash, wildfire ash, and pollutants, then you will find multiple articles, news articles, or ChatGPT. You'll be able to find what kind of pollutants are there and list those pollutants and I'll write the source of those pollutants and that why those pollutants are present in those wildfire or urban ash. And that's basically your paragraph that you can write. Once you know the pollutant, we'll be able to design what kind of green infrastructure. That's why it's important that you write one paragraph on this. So I suggest you to pause here and give a thought, but I'm just going to give you some hints. So these are the pollutants you might expect. The heavy metals, including lead, chromium, arsenic, copper, nickel, zinc, cobalt, and where they come from. Most of them are used as a paintings on the structures, or it is painting on the wood so that to protect the wood or wood coatings. Many of the metals are also used in electronics and EV or batteries, and those are also might be present if they burn down. You may find polyaromatic hydrocarbon, volatile organic compounds. These are present in the paint and other stuff. And when you burn wood or any biomass, you produce pyrene. These are something pyrene or polyaromatic hydrocarbons. So these are things you might find. And then also you might find something emerging pollutant like PFAS or fluorinated compounds, which is basically when you burn plastic, other materials which has these coatings. And then you also find some other plastics. So again, list of them, write about the paragraphs so that you know that these are the things that present in the systems, and then you cite them based on the reference you find. With that, this is the end of week 2 of lectures. And this by end of this lecture, you should know the basic math behind predicting the pollutants and what the pollutants are and how to remove those pollutants and what are the processes that could remove pollutants. How do you use green infrastructures to predict the removal of the pollutants in from the stormwater.